Question 1. Phylum Echinodermata is characterized by adult with bilateral symmetry, pentaradial, spherical symmetry, or asymmetry. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी एडल्ट इकाइनोडर्म्स के अंदर प्रेजेंट है पेंटारेडियल सिमेट्री. Question 2. The larvae of echinoderm exhibit which type of symmetry? Pentaradial, bilateral, asymmetrical, radial. Correct answer is option B. Larvae of echinoderms have bilateral symmetry. Question number 3. The name Echinodermata means soft skin, spiny skin, stinging skin, jointed foot. Correct answer is option B. Echinodermata derived from the Greek word echinos means spiny and derma means skin. तो इकाइनोडर्म्स जो है वो स्पाइनी स्किन्ड एनिमल्स हैं. Question 4. The unique water-based vascular system found in echinoderm is circulatory system, water vascular system, hemal system, respiratory system. Correct answer is option B. Water vascular system is present in echinoderms. Question 5. The entrance to the water vascular system is a sieve-like structure called tube feet, madrepori, ampullae, or radial canal. Correct answer is option B. Madreporoid, जो कि एक तरह की perforated plate है, which act as an entrance of water to flow into water vascular system. Question 6. Locomotory structure of echinoderms are parapodia, tube feet, seta, or cilia. Correct answer is option B. Tube feet are the locomotory structures of echinoderms. Question 7. Internal skeleton of echinoderms is composed of silica spicules, calcareous ossicles, chitinous plates, or cartilage. Correct answer is option B. Internal skeleton of echinoderm is consist of calcareous ossicles. Question 8. Which of the following is not a class of echinoderms? Asteroidea, Echinoidea, Holothuriidea, Cephalopoda. Correct answer is option D. Cephalopoda mollusk की क्लास है ना कि इकाइनोडर्म की. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. और अगर आपने टॉप 50 MCQs की प्लेलिस्ट नहीं देखी तो उस प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में अवेलेबल है. आप उस पर क्लिक करके रिमेनिंग वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं. Question 9. Class of echinoderms that include starfish or sea star is Ophiuroidea, Asteroidea, or Echinoidea, Crinoidea. Correct answer is option B. Starfish is present in the class Asteroidea. Question 10. Class of echinoderm that include brittle star and basket star is Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea, Echinoidea, or Holothuriidea. Correct answer is option B. Class Ophiuroidea के अंदर present है brittle star and basket star. Question 11. Class of echinoderms that include sea urchin and sand dollar is Asteroidea, Ophiuroidea, Echinoidea, Crinoidea. Correct answer is option C. Echinoidea include sea urchin and sand dollar. Question 12. The class of echinoderm that includes sea cucumber is Echinoidea, Holothuriidea, Crinoidea, Ophiuroidea. करेक्ट आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन बी. होलोथोराइडिया के अंदर आते हैं सी कुकम्बर. क्वेश्चन 13. क्लास ऑफ इकाइनोडर्म दैट इंक्लूड सी लिलीज एंड फेदर स्टार्स इज एस्टेरॉइडिया, ओफियोराइडिया, एक्टिनोइडिया, क्राइनोइडिया. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. क्राइनोइडिया के अंदर प्रेजेंट हैं सी लिली एंड फेदर स्टार्स. Question 14. The mouth in a starfish is located on a boral surface, oral surface, lateral surface at the end of each arm. Correct answer is option B. Mouth of starfish is located on the oral surface on ventral side of the body. Question 15. The surface of starfish opposite the mouth is called oral surface, aboral surface, lateral surface, medial surface. करेक्ट आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन बी एबोरल सरफेस यानी डॉर्सल साइड पे स्टारफिश का जो है वो अपोजिट एंड प्रेजेंट होता है. Question 16. Structure used by starfish for extruding their stomach during feeding is tube feet, cardiac stomach, pyloric stomach, ampullae. Correct answer is option B. Cardiac structure is the structure that is used by starfish for extruding their stomach during feeding. Question 17. Sorry. The respiratory structure in starfish are gills, dermal branchiae, are tube feet, lungs. Correct answer is option B. Dermal branchia और papillae जो कि एक तरह की thin finger like projection है body wall की and they function in respiration. So correct answer है इसका option B. Question 18. The excretory system in echinoderm is well developed with kidney absent, composed of phlegm cells, composed of Malpighian tubules. Correct answer is option B. Excretory system is absent in echinoderms और echinoderms के अंदर जो excretion है वो diffusion के थ्रू होती है. Question 19. The nervous system in echinoderm is highly centralized with the brain, decentralized with a nerve ring and radial nerve, a nerve net absent. Correct answer is option B. Nervous system of echinoderm is decentralized having nerve ring as well as radial nerves. Question 20. The type of reproduction in echinoderm is primarily asexual, sexual with separate sexes, hermaphroditic, parthenogenetic. Correct answer is option B. जो इकाइनोडर्म्स हैं वो डायोशियस हैं मीन्स दे हैव separate sexes male and female. Question 21. The larval form of starfish is called Trochophore, Bipinaria, Pluteus, Auricularia. Correct answer is option B. Bipinaria is the larval form of starfish जो कि later in the development change हो जाता है another larva Brachyolaria में. Question 22. The larval form of sea urchin is called Bipinaria, Echinopluteus, Auricularia, Doliolaria. Correct answer is option B. Echinopluteus larva is the larval form of sea urchin. Question 23. The larval form of sea cucumber is called Bipinaria, Ophiopluteus, Auricularia, Doliolaria. Correct answer is option C. Auricularia larva is the larva of sea cucumber. Question 24. The remarkable ability of echinoderms to regrow lost body parts is called metamorphosis, regeneration, autotomy, fission. Correct answer is option B. The ability to regain lost body parts is known as regeneration. Question 25. The phenomenon where a starfish can deliberately detach an arm is called regeneration, autotomy, fission, budding. Correct answer is option B. Autotomy is a process where starfish deliberately detach its arm. Question 26. Aristotle lantern is a complex jaw-like structure found in starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumber, brittle star. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी सी अर्चन के अंदर प्रेजेंट है अरिस्टोटल लेंटर. Question 27. The organism often referred as heart urchin is starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumber, crinoid. Correct answer is option B. Sea urchin जो है वो heart urchin है because it has heart shaped test. Question 28. Pedicellary in echinoderms are small pincer like structure used for locomotion, defense and cleaning the body surface, feeding, respiration. Correct answer is option B. Pedicellary echinoderm use करते हैं in defense as well as cleaning the body surface. Question 29. Which echinoderm is often considered a delicacy and known as trepang? Starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumber, brittle star. Correct answer is option C. Sea cucumber is considered as a delicacy and trepang. Question 30. Gonad of a sea urchin which is consumed as sushi is intestine, reproductive organ, Aristotle lantern, nerve ring. Correct answer is option B. Gonads of sea urchin which is consumed as sushi is actually a reproductive organ. Question 31. Ambulacral groove in starfish contain madreporite, rows of tube feet, eye spot, spines. Correct answer is option B. Ambulacral grooves are furrows on the oral surface and they contain rows of tube feet. Question 32. Stone canal in water vascular system connects madreporite to tube feet, ring canal, radial canal, ampullae. Correct answer is option B. Stone canal connect करती है madreporite को ring canal के साथ. Question 33. The function of ampullae in water vascular system is to filter water or is to contract to force water into tube feet or sense light or secrete enzyme. Correct answer is option B. Option B. Ampullae जो है वो contract होता है जिससे एक force generate होती है जो कि water को force करती है into tube feet. Question 34. Skeleton of sea cucumber is hard, rigid test, greatly reduced to microscopic ossicles made of silica absent. Correct answer is option B. Sea cucumber के अंदर जो skeleton है वो reduced form में होता है in the form of microscopic ossicles. Question 35. The defense mechanism of sea cucumber is stinging with nematocyst, AV secretion, detaching an arm, biting. Correct answer is option B. AV secretion is a defense mechanism of sea cucumber जो कि किसी डेंजर के पेश नज़र अपने इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को एक्सपेल कर देती है और इसको नाम देते हैं एवी सिक्रीशन का. Question 36. Sensory structure at the tip of each starfish arm that detect light is madreporite, eye spot, tentacle, spine. Correct answer is option B. Eye spot or ocellus is the sensory structure which detect light in starfish arm. Question 37. Crinoids capture food using everted stomach, tube feet, sticky mucus on their feathery arms, Aristotle lantern. Correct answer is option B के जो क्रिनॉइड्स हैं वो फूड को कैप्चर करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्यूब फीट. Question 38. Tideman's bodies are associated with digestive system, water vascular system, nervous system, reproductive system. Correct answer is option B. Tideman's bodies are important part of water vascular systems और ये प्रोड्यूस करती हैं सिलोमोसाइट्स cells. Question 39. Class of echinoderm that is considered the most ancient. Asteroidea, Echinoidea, Crinoidea, Holothroidea. Correct answer is option C. Class Crinoidea is the most ancient or primitive class of echinoderms. Question 40. The process by which a starfish open a bivalve mollusk involve crushing the shell with its stomach, exerting a sustained pull with its tube feet, injecting a digestive enzyme, or biting with pedicellary. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. स्टारफिश जो है वो बाइवाल्व मोलास्क को ओपन करने के लिए अपनी ट्यूब फीट के ज़रिए एक प्रेशर जो है वो सस्टेन करती है जिससे वो पुल अप होकर ओपन होता है। Question 41. The circulatory system in echinoderm is well developed and closed, poorly developed and open, absent, part of the water vascular system. करेक्ट आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन बी। सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम जो इकाइनोडर्म्स के अंदर है ये पुअरली डेवलप्ड है और ओपन टाइप है और इसको हीमल सिस्टम का नाम भी देते हैं। Question 42. The radial symmetry of adult echinoderms is an adaptation for a fast moving predatory lifestyle, sessile or slow moving lifestyle, flying lifestyle or burrowing lifestyle. करेक्ट आंसर है इसका ऑप्शन बी। जो एडल्ट इकाइनोडर्म्स है उसके अंदर जो रेडियल सिमेट्री है इट इज एक्चुअली एन एडेप्टेशन ऑफ सिसाइल लाइफस्टाइल। Question 43. The structure that connects the arms in a brittle star is central disc, vertebra like ossicles, ambulacral groove, or pyloric ceca. Correct answer is option B. Vertebrae like ossicles are present in the arms which connect the arms in case of brittle star. Question 44. The main function of pyloric ceca in starfish is locomotion, digestion and nutrient storage, reproduction, excretion. Correct answer is option B. Main function of pyloric ceca of starfish is digestion as well as nutrient storage. Question 45. The type of fertilization in most echinoderms is internal, external, occurs within the body cavity, does not occur. Correct answer is option B. Fertilization in most echinoderm is a external type of fertilization which occurs in the water. Question 46. The development of an echinoderm from bilaterally symmetrical larva to a radially symmetric adult is example of direct development, indirect development, asexual reproduction, or regeneration. Correct answer is option B. The development of echinoderm from bilaterally symmetrical larva to radially symmetrical an adult is known as indirect development with complex metamorphosis. Question 47. Which echinoderm is known for its ability to rapidly change the rigidity of its connective tissue? Sea urchin, sea cucumber, brittle star, crinoid. Correct answer is option B. Sea cucumber have ability to change rigidity of its connective tissue. Question 48. The scientific name of the common European starfish is Acanthester planki, Astrius rubens, Pisaster ochraceus, or Oriester reticulatus. Correct answer is option B. Asterius rubens is the scientific name of common European starfish. Question 49. The crown of thorns starfish known for damaging coral reef is Astrias forbesi, Acanthester planki, Pateria miniata, or Lynchia lavigata. Correct answer is option B. Acanthester planki is the crown of horn starfish known for damaging coral reef. Question 50. The fossil record of Echinoderm is particularly good because they were very large, their calcareous ossicles fossilized well, they live only on the land, they had soft body. तो correct answer है इसका option B. They have calcareous ossicles जो कि well fossilized हैं.